нам, блядь! Сука! Блядь, есть железяка висит на дороге!
This is amazing footage. One Ukrainian soldier repelled an attack of 5 Russian assault soldiers. A soldier from the 425th Separate Assault Battalion, Skala, single-handedly neutralized a Russian assault group in the Pokrovsky direction. The result? 4 Russian soldiers were wounded and 1 was killed.
Here are 3 guys. They're trying to get into this building. Our fighter comes out and fires a burst from an automatic weapon, wounding 1 fatally. The injured one responds, another one follows him, but there's still 1 left. Our fighter comes out and shoots again. The enemy is down and our guy moves in to make sure. Meanwhile, 2 of the first 3 are just standing aside smoking. An FPV drone flew by them. 2 who replied are standing and waiting for the trolley bus. Our fighter runs out to throw a grenade. A trial shot runs out again, and this one is spot on. The wounded crawl back, position held, advance beaten back, and the enemy is killed.
Highly detailed footage of Ukrainian FPVs finding at Russian infantry at a slag heap. A Russian ATGM nest is then neutralized by FPV drones. The Russians are probably using their Kornet anti-tank system here, and positioned high on the hill like this, they pose a very serious threat to any Ukrainian armor. But the war in the Ukraine shows that you must also have anti-aircraft defense in these situations, because as much as you are dangerous for enemy vehicles, you are such an easy target for enemy drones. More voices are emerging within Ukraine calling for a faster mobilization of more personnel to halt the Russian current advance and prepare for new offensives of their own. Military expert and analyst Yevhen Dicky said that Ukraine needs to mobilize 500,000 people quickly to stabilize the front and launch offensives. We are still facing the need to quickly gain 500,000, and then quietly gain 20 to 30,000 every month. If we were able to do this, these numbers would be enough for us to win. The situation in Selidov was worsened for Ukrainian troops, with a high possibility that the extent of Russia's advance is deeper than marked on this map. Only this needs further confirmation. Russians planted their flag close to the central part of Selidov, south of the Salona River. Although still marked as a gray zone, the area south of this location is highly likely Russian-controlled. This follows ongoing Russian attacks, mainly coming from the south and east. And this is how it's looking from the ground in Selidov. Kozak 7 armored vehicle with personnel from the 15th Karadog Brigade of the National Guard of Ukraine, breaking through in the residential area of Selidov, under heavy small arms fire.
Нам, блядь! Сука! Блядь, есть железяка висит на дороге! Ну, блядь, хуя тебе, блядь! Ох, ебать их кто-то хуя, блядь! Валера, блядь, сзади дивись, нас чтоб не выскочила обезьяна! Ебать их тут, нахуй! Да. Ебать, ты что улица? Я ебу, блядь. Ну, может, развернешься, да ебать уже. Дальше. Вот перейдешь.
Toretsk, present day. The commander of a Russian assault unit shows the bodies of fallen soldiers who couldn't even make it to the next building due to heavy fire. He complains about the complete lack of evacuation in the regiment and criticizes the leadership for setting impossible tasks just to please Putin.
Hello. My name is Hagen T. Denis Mikhailovich. I'm I'm the commander of the assault company. I'm currently in the city of Zolzhinsk. We're performing a task, clean up the district. But unfortunately, it's coming at a high price. It's very difficult for us. Our command is from the 109th Regiment. They give us tasks to complete. But without support, these tasks are nearly impossible. At the moment, we're near the city center, in a 9-story building. Here's what's happening to us. Constant gunfire. Our guys can't even make it to the next building because there's no support. And the basements here, our 300 guys are rotting. So many are wounded. I'm wounded myself, but I can still move around for now. The 109th Regiment. Polovinskaya, Section 34. 494. So something ahead. We complete all our tasks. We can perform them. But right now, at this moment, we can't perform the tasks. Because practically there's no one to do it. But I'll still try to complete this task. To everyone who recognized me, there's no evacuation for us. We aren't being evacuated from here because the 109th Regiment does not have the means for evacuation. That's what they told me. I have a prince. I already have 3 concussions at this point, 2 of them severe. And while completing the combat mission, a concrete slab fell. Not sure, of course, about the back. But moving is very difficult. Please make this public. But we'll complete the task anyway. And in any case, we'll win. Victory will be ours.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.